Hi guys, it's your girl Janet, and today's recipe and ingredients for juicing, we're using 2 apples, a beetroot, a lemon. We're using a bit of ginger and some carrots, and this is the potion I'm using. Now first I'm gonna chop up the ginger. You don't have to really chop it finely because it's going in the juicer anyway. And I'm placing them in a bowl of water. After I chopped up the ginger, I'm gonna chop up the rest of recipe. I start with the carrots. The carrots were different sizes, so I need to chop them up finely for the juicer because sometimes it will get stuck stuck in the blade. So this is me chopping up the carrots. I'm moving a bit slow, but this is how it goes. And carrots are really good for you. They're good for your eyesight, and it's very refreshing. Look at me doing my thing. You good girl. Yeah. It's a bit tedious of chopping up all these things because I don't want to chance it and put in the juicer. See, they're falling all over the place. Don't worry about me with the knife. I'm holding it very safely. It's not gonna cut me because I'm trying to avoid the carrots from falling all over the place and falling on the floor as well. So this is the second to last carrot. So while I'm chopping, I'm placing them in a bowl of water. Okay, so I'm on my last carrot now. And then I'm cutting the apples. So the apples is for sweetness. So I used 2 apples and I cut them up in 4 pieces. And then I go on to my beetroot. Please, when you're using beetroot, don't use too much. I think 1 or half will do, because if you use more than 1, your pea will be red just like the beetroot. And now I'm just using 1 lemon. You can use lime, and that's for your choice. Now I'm washing all my fruits together, and after I wash it, I'm going to drain off that water because I wash it 3 times. This is me taking off the first water. Then after I fill the bowl again with some fresh water, wash them, and after I wash that, then I fill the basin again with some fresh water. Because you've got to wash those things, because you don't know where they're coming from, so you need to wash your products. So the next step is juicing. So you just put all of them together. You just juice it. You just juice everything together. This is me, and this is a NutriBullet juicer. Then I pour it in a bowl, because the cup doesn't hold quite a lot, and if you keep filling that cup up, it will start spilling when the juices, when all that thing is juicing in the cup. If it's too much, it will start spilling all over the place. So you know your girl's got to be clean and tidy, because when you've got OCD, you don't want no mess nowhere. So that is the second batch. And that is the last thing. So after all that juicing, I'm mixing all the products together, and then I pour it into the container. Let's see how much it can fill in those bottles. Let's see how much I can get. So I got one bottle. Now I'm trying for another bottle. And as you can see, I've got a little left, so I need to get another container. And see, I got 2 and a bit. So that's it. Thank you.